Good morning students. Today we have discussed about pin configuration of 8085 microprocessor. Microprocessor 8085 has a 40 pin IC. It has two unidirectional bus and only one bidirectional bus. Plus VCC means positive power supply and minus VCC means negative power supply. Intel 8085 contains in the 40 pins. There are X1, X2, SOD and SID. SOD is a serial input data and SID is a serial output data. Trap RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5, INTR, INTA, reset out, AD0, AD1, AD2 and AD3, AD4, AD5, AD6, AD7 minus VCC, then A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, A13, 14, A15, S0, ALE, WR bar, read and S1, input I0, ready, reset in, clock out, HLDA, hold plus VCC. X1 and X2 is a crystal oscillator. SOD and SID is a serial input and serial output data. Trap RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 7.5, INTR, INTA is a interrupt signals. 11th pin is a reset signal, and AD0 to AD7 is a address bus and data bus. 3 address bus and data bus. Then 20 pin is the minus VCC ground reference signals, and 21 A8 to A15 is the address bus. Address bus signal is called the unidirectional bus, and AD7 to AD0 is the bidirectional signal bus. S0 is a status signal, read and write is the timing signal. S1 is a status signal, ready is a control signal, reset in is a reset signal, clock out is the clock signal, hold and HLD is a DMA signal, plus VCC is a power supply. Explanation of each pin configuration. So X1 and X2. X1, X2 are the two terminals are interconnected to an external crystal oscillator. It's used to produce at frequency level of 5 MHz in the microprocessor power supply. Reset out. It indicates that the CPU becomes at the reset. Serial input data SID. It is a data line for serial input. The data line is located into the 8-bit accumulator. RIM, read interrupt mask. When RIM instruction should be executed. Serial output data. It is a data line for serial output. The data line is located into the 7-bit of the accumulator. Serial interrupt mask, SIM. SIM is called the serial interrupt mask when SIM instruction should be executed. Trap signal. It is interrupt signal for highest priority. It's non-maskable interrupt. RST 5.5, RST 6.5, RST 7.5 lowest priority. It is a restart interrupt. They are vector interrupt and transfer the program to control the specific memory location. Read is in a logic 0. This pin indicates that the low level signal it's used to read process. Write in a logic 0. This pin indicates the low level signal it's used to write process. S0 and S1 is a status signal. There are two status signals, S0 and S1. It's 4 combinations. It's 4 combination of the information through the microprocessor S0 and S1. 00 is a no operation signal and 01 is a read signal and 10 is a write operation and 11 is a fetch operation. Ready signal. It's used by the control input and output device. Use control device and output device through the ready line. It's 16-bit. It's activate and high level signal. Reset in. The signal is used to reset the microprocessor. The program counter inside the microprocessor is set to 0 and otherwise reset. Clock out. The clock out is used to peripheral or input output devices interface with the microprocessor. Hold the data. It's hold the data with address bus and data bus. HLDA it's used for hold acknowledgement signal. It's activate the high level signal. Address and data bus. AD0 to AD7 is the address and data bus. It's used to send the address the data by the microprocessor. It's bidirectional bus. It's used for least significant bit. Address bus A8 to A15. It is a unidirectional. It used for most significant bit. ALE address latch enable. ALE stands for address latch enable signal. Enable condition. The enable or set condition during the upper 8 bit of the address in high. Disable signal. The disable or set condition during the lower 8 bit of the address is low 0. Plus VCC power supply. It's operated on a 5 volt power supply for 40 pins of the 8085 microprocessor. Negative power supply minus VCC. In minus VCC is the negative power supply for 20 pins of the 8085 microprocessor. Thank you.